Hi everyone, welcome back to Pine Hollow Auto Diagnostics. It's July, that means Amazon Prime Days are coming up this week. So I wanted to go over a few products that are on sale, huge discounts. Some of my favorite tools here. We're going to go over 6 products and we'll see what the discounts are and which one would fit your needs best. Okay, so first let's start off with bidirectional scanners. We're going to go from most expensive to least expensive and see what the differences are and which one might fit your needs and your budget best. So I have my favorite TOPDON Phoenix Plus. This is my daily workhorse. I love everything about it. Screen size, durability, battery life, you can keep it on all day long. The speed is great, it has topology, everything you need. Quick, easy health reports, save them to your laptop. So this one on for Amazon Prime Days, it's on sale a little over $900. That's a savings of $250. So if you're in the market for a powerful bidirectional scanner with amazing coverage, this is the one to get. Obviously it's Bluetooth, so highly recommended, and TOPDON customer support is fantastic. Next in line is the smaller Launch CRP919 Bluetooth. So this one is on sale for $430, so it's over $100 off. So you can see it's less than half price of the bigger TOPDON. Same capability, just smaller screen, smaller battery life, but again, the capability for such a small tool is phenomenal, and I would say for a full bidirectional scanner you still cannot beat this Launch. So those are the 2 full bidirectional scanners. Now let's cover the smaller ones, which work with your smartphone. So oftentimes when people request appointments for diagnostics on a website, I would love to have an initial health report if you're from far away, long distance customer, just so I have a heads up of what we're dealing with. A lot of people say, oh, the shop didn't give me a health report, or I had to go to AutoZone to scan the codes. People, those days are over, because you can get your very own full scanner that works with your smartphone, because everyone has a smartphone these days, right? So here are 2 options that are really game changers here in the DIY world. So we have the Kingbolen EDIAG Elite. Again, just a Bluetooth dongle, interfaces with your smartphone, you can do full code scans and a lot of bidirectional controls. Now this little scanner is on sale for $110, and get this, free lifetime updates. That's right, free updates. $110, you get this thing, you can scan any year, make, model, full code scans, and you don't have to pay a subscription fee, which is unheard of. $110, you can't beat that. So there's no excuse for not getting your own scanner and doing your own health report, right? You can save it as a PDF on your phone, forward it, email it, whatever you got to do. The other option here is the familiar TOPDON TopScan. Same exact principle. You get a dongle, and this one, the initial price is about half of the Kingbolen EDIAG Elite. This one's a little over $50. However, after 1 year, you're going to have to pay $50 a month to keep all those features active. So you decide. In 2 years, these 2 scanners will be equal cost, but then the TOPDON, every year you'll have to pay that $50. Not so with the EDIAG Elite. You just pay $110 and it's yours. Free lifetime updates, phenomenal. So we're actually going to try these out for bonus footage, compare back to back on one of my own vehicles. But if you have a smartphone, there's no excuse not getting one of these scanners and just keeping it in your glove box. Alright, two other products that I wanted to mention for Amazon Prime Days. The Gulu GP 4000 Jump Starter. Excellent tool. It has started dozens of cars. I use it in the field. This thing's on sale for 75 bucks. Regular price 170 bucks. So almost $100 off. And I say every car on the road should have this in their trunk. Forget about jumper cables. You don't need to call AAA if you leave your lights on. 75 bucks. No brainer. I mean, this is the best on the market. This jump starter right here. So get one while they last. It has the boost button. Even if you don't have a battery connected, you can connect this thing, hit that boost button, your car will start, and it can get you out of a jam, especially in cold weather, you know, in the winter. Just carry one of these and you can help other people out. So highly recommended, the Gulu GP 4000. And last but not least, the TOPDON TCView infrared camera that also interfaces with a smartphone. So infrared cameras you don't use every day, but they are handy to have, not just for automotive, for household, you know, projects or diagnostics if you have heat leaks or anything. And the price for this little camera is under $200 right now. It's $100 off. So if you're looking for an infrared camera that's very versatile, easy to use, hooks up to your smartphone, take pictures, whatever you need to do, this is still my favorite, and I've tried quite a few. So add that to your shopping list if you're in the market for an infrared camera. Alright, so for bonus footage, let's try both of these scanners, the EDIAG Elite from Kingbolen and the TOPDON TopScan, on my 2005 Honda Accord V6 over there, because this 93 Cadillac Elante is not OBD2 compatible, so we need something a little bit newer. So let's compare these two scanner dongles back to back. Alright, first let's start with the Kingbolen EDIAG Elite. Bluetooth dongle is plugged in. 2005 Honda Accord V6, key is on. We'll turn the fan off. And so go to All System Diagnostics, and you can download whichever apps you need for this car. But we can just do a VIN scan. So let's see if on this 2005 it'll be able to determine the VIN and see it should automatically download the correct software based on the VIN. Alright, there you go. Smart enough. Honda software is updating. Boom. Done. Let's see if it'll say Accord for 2005, and it's a Honda. So it's a USA, retrieving vehicle information. Okay, we'll do health report. This will take some time. Okay. Engine's not running. Okay. So here we go. So it even has a timer. So we'll see how long it takes. And we'll see what codes are stored. There's no codes in the transmission, one code in the engine. So I'll turn the camera back on once it finishes scanning. Alright, so the e-scan took about 2 minutes. Keep in mind, this is an older pre-can vehicle. This is the newest one I have on the lot. But so here are the modules that it scanned. So 4 codes total, and then 4 are normal. We can do a report. look at that. Add later, you can create a comment. There's the whole report. So create PDF. It saves the PDF, and you can share this. I usually put it in my OneDrive folder, with all the other documents. You can do Bluetooth, whatever you want, and then we'll compare the two reports on the laptop. Alright, so from this screen, you can click on the actual module, and let's see if we can do some basic bidirectional controls, see what's available in special functions, and compare it to the TopScan, see if the software is identical. I expect that it is. So there's no special function, there's just actuation test. So let's turn on the fuel pump. Okay. Okay. There it is. You can hear the fuel pump. There's a countdown timer. Exit. So that works. Now let's try the TopScan. Alright, with the TopScan, let's do diagnostics. Log in with password. Alright, as you can see, the TopScan needs your email. You need to log in to make sure your subscription is up to date. You don't need to worry about that with the Kingbolen EDIAG Elite. You own this. Here, you have to pay every year and make sure you're up to date. So, let's do diagnostics. Honda. I guess we have to update that. Alright, it says installed, so we'll click on Honda. Continue. Let's do automatic. Read VIN. Failed to read VIN. VCI connection error. Let's see. Unplug it. Plug it back in. Should have some kind of light. Let me see, the VCI is blinking there. It's not happy. Let me try to get back in here. Alright, now the VCI icon is lit up, so we can do automatic search. Read VIN. See if it'll read it. Reading VIN, please wait. Alright, so it successfully read the VIN. Confirm. USA. Yep, Accord V6 2005. Okay. And we'll time it, see how long it takes to do the scan. Alright, auto scan. System list. Let's scan it. And it just says scan progress. So we'll time it. It's 2:36 right now. Uh-oh. Something went wrong with the TopScan. Connected successfully. What are we doing here? So the TopScan glitched out. I have to restart it. Now it wants to update firmware. Vehicle voltage is too low. I guess I can start it. Get some AC going in here. Okay, now it's updating. Alright, let's try scanning again. It's 2:42. Just started the smart scan. Let's see how many minutes this takes. Alright, we're finally done. It took 4 minutes. So the Kingbolen actually beat it in the race. But let's do a report. Confirm. We'll save it. Successfully saved. Share. And then I'll put it in the same folder. Alright, so let's compare the health reports from the two tools. First, the EDIAG Elite. This is the PDF file. This has got the VIN. I forgot to input the miles. So 1, 2, 3, 4 modules with codes, and then 4 modules that are okay. Then the TopScan health report. Again, I got the VIN right there. 6 systems were scanned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 systems were scanned instead of 8. So let's see what code we have here. It's a little harder to read. PGMFI. There's the code. Then airbag. Then body electrical. Huh. It didn't do HVAC. So which systems are missing here? Engine, airbags, body, AC, and then TCM, ABS, seat weight sensor, mobilizer. Here we have engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, body, and gauge instead of seat weight sensor, mobilizer, and no air conditioning. Huh. Well, there you have it. There are some differences in the software. Apparently, they're both fully updated. The EDIAG Elite seems to be more like the launch software, or closer. It scanned more modules, so 8 modules total. The TopScan, I think they modified some stuff, so the coverage seems to be a little, 2 modules less scanned in the whole health report. So I'm glad we did a back-to-back comparison. Which one would I pick? Well, obviously the one that scanned more modules. Plus this one, you don't have to pay a yearly subscription fee, and you don't have to log in with your email, no nonsense. That's the one I would take personally, even though the TopScan is a fantastic tool. So one of these should be in your glove box. If you don't have one, and I would say get one, especially if you want to schedule an appointment and send someone a health report, like for even remote diagnostics or assistance online. The health report is absolutely crucial to have. That is step number 1. If you don't have the health report, I can't just help you with the symptoms. You need the codes. So that's it for this one. Amazon Prime Days, get those deals while they last. I think it's July 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th. But don't wait too long. Some of these items may get bought out and they won't have any more in stock. So thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.